Hello there and welcome back to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster today. So today we've got the 2002 Harley Davidson V-Rod. But before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe, folks. So like I was saying, this is the 2002 Harley Davidson V-Rod in the silver, and I really like this bike. I think it looks fantastic. With the solid wheels, the silver, it just looks really neat. Currently showing 23,000 miles on the clock. It's a two-owner bike from new. Before we get on with the metal, it is supplied with the genuine owner's manual and a parts manual as well, which, you know, Encyclopedia Britannica situation. There are a number of invoices for servicing and stuff like that, load of old MOT certificates. I've got 2 keys, 2 fobs, and yeah, just a really nice looking bike. If this number plate crops up on the video, it isn't that plate's been removed. It's just the standard plate. That private plate has been removed by the previous owner. So yeah, like I say, it's fitted with the backrest and the rear rack. We've got the Screaming Eagle pipes, and it's just really nice, clean example of a V-Rod, which we don't see many of these days. Few and far between, but I do like them with the solid wheels. They do look nice. Bit quirky, the V-Rod. Not every Harley Davidson person's cup of tea, but I like them. I think this looks really nice in this alloy as well. I really do. So let me just start the bike. I'm just going to put the camera down for a second just to start it, so you'll have to excuse me appearing in shot. So obviously you've got the Harley alarm. Turn that off. There we go. So yeah, that sounds lovely. Sounds really sweet, really crisp. We will supply the bike with a full MOT, a 3-month warranty, and it will go through the workshop prior to coming out for a full check over to make sure everything is okay. We can offer finance on this vehicle, and we do work closely with a lot of third-party companies if you happen to find your own finance or you've got any negative history. We do work with specialists that will look at that in all various disguises. We can offer nationwide or international delivery if required. Just give me a call on that, because obviously with the fuel situation and the prices fluctuating all the time, the couriers are changing their prices to match. So yeah, just give me a call. Obviously if you've got any questions on this fine machine, just look at that tank. The tank looks great. Yeah, if you've got any questions on this machine at all, just give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you'd like to come down and look at the bike in person, you're more than welcome. Just give us a call before you set off to look at it. A, I can tell you if the bike's still in stock, and B, we can get the kettle on. But yeah, it just looks really, I like this alloy chrome look going on there. I think it looks really fresh, really nice. So yeah, that's in stock today, and like I say, any questions on this 2002 Harley Davidson V-Rod in the chrome, give me a call, 01302 760 967. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I do appreciate it, and above all else, folks, have a good day. Cheers.